What if the way we've been learning for decades is the very reason so many graduates feel unprepared for the world they enter? At Intellipaat School of Technology, we ask the same question and build a new answer. Some things not right, how we prepare for the future. For decades, education stayed the same while technologies move ahead. Students still memorize theories, write exams, and test their memories instead of skills, and graduate into an industry demanding experience which they never got. And it's not anyone's fault. The system was built another time, the world has changed, it's time education caught up. That's where Intellipaat School of Technology decided to step in. We wanted to rethink how learning works, not just for today's world, for the one being built right now. So we went beyond the classroom. We collaborated with experts from leading product companies, the same people designing technologies shaping our future. We didn't create another coding course, but we built an ecosystem that produces innovators, problem solvers, and builders. The curriculum is designed for the industry by the industry. We kept what worked, removed what didn't, and added what's needed for tomorrow.
Every module, every project mirrors how real technology is built, through collaboration, creativity, and constant evolution. It's education redesigned for relevance.
Here's how our students transform over 4 years into industry-ready professionals.
Let's start. Year 1. Clarity and confidence. Students understand technology from the inside out, learning computer science fundamentals, DSA, and full-stack web development. No endless lectures. Everything is learned by doing. Instead of memorizing algorithms, they build them. Instead of reading about the websites, they deploy them. Year 2. Going deeper. Students dive into advanced architectures and scalable systems. They choose their specialization. Data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, DevOps, all co-created with professionals who live and breathe those skills. Year 3. Turning ideas into impact. They design and build real-world products, from intelligent chatbots to predictive tools, and prepare for internships and mirror actual product environments. They learn how teams operate, collaborate, and deliver under real-world networks.
Year 4. Becoming professionals.
Mentors from top 10 companies coach them on system design, scalability, and problem solving at scale. Students with solid portfolios contribute to SOAS and graduate as professionals, not just candidates. Because this isn't just another program, it's a new way of thinking about education. The industry design curriculum bridges the gap between learning and doing, giving students the skills to thrive and giving companies the talent they actually need. Education shapes the past, innovation shapes the future. At Intellipaat School of Technology, we bring both together. For learners who dream bigger, for a world that needs them to. Because the future doesn't wait, and neither the education should. Welcome to Intellipaat School of Technology, where the curriculum is built by those who build the future.